Here is a fantastic opportunity to live in an established neighborhood in Clinton, Tennessee at 102 Westland Drive. With 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, you'll enjoy over 2,900 square feet of tremendous living area on a corner lot, complete with mature trees and featuring an in-ground swimming pool. Step inside. Take in the tons of updates like luxury vinyl plank flooring, a brand new coffee bar, a spacious laundry room on the main, and note the completely remodeled bathrooms with quartz countertops. Check out the 3 bedrooms on the main floor, featuring a closet system in both master bedroom closets. This large living room will be a welcome area for guests, featuring a gas fireplace. Now downstairs to an exceptional living space. Consider this a blank slate to make your own, or utilize this area as is with the large recreation room centered with an efficient wood-burning fireplace. Downstairs is fully equipped with a second laundry room for efficiency, as well as a full bath, and there's tons of extra storage, as well as plenty of room for your vehicles in the spacious garage. The best way to experience 102 Westland Drive in Clinton, Tennessee is to see it for yourself. Schedule your private tour today. Call JoLana Carpenter at Why the Smokies LLC direct at 865-361-5955.